Okay, we're at the barn. Watch your little noggin. Want some water? You smell your waters? You just want the snack that you smell? Alright, I'll give you a little one. Let's make you do a little trick though. Whoop, whoop. I'll break this little treat up. Okay, I just broke it up. Oops. Let's let her adventure and see if I can get her to... See if she already knows. If she can smell it. Stay. Stay. Heel. Yes, good girl, good heel. Yes, can you sit? Sit. Yes, good girl. Yes, oh, it's so good. It's so good. Alright, let's get their grain going. There's Mr. Elf. Buddy the Elf. Christmas toy. You love Christmas. Let's get their stuff going. Where are you going? Alright, I got their grain. Just gotta put water in it. Oh, there's Sweet Peas. Horse is about to call you. I'm gonna turn the fence off. Get some water. I still have to secure these panels and stuff and fix this wall so then I can make this little stall area so they have shelter in this pasture for winter. I gotta get some water. Let's try not to drop the camera. Alright, Sweet Peas, let's go this way. Little water and Peaches. Yes, goes in his. Alright. Now, that doesn't fall off. I'm gonna bring their hay out there. Sweet Pea, come. Yes, good girl. Let's go bring the hay out to the horses, okay? Good girl, yes. What a good girl. Yeah, what a good girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Gotta go bring the hay out. Oh, you're stuck. Oh, you're stuck. Okay. Just help me with the lead rope. Oh, here they come. The wind was blowing straight to them, I was about to say. They're gonna smell us in a second. Hi guys. Hi Peachy. Hi Knight. You guys have some round bellies, I must say. Oh hi. Yes, good girl. Yes. What a good girl. Should we go grab their grain? Hi. See if their water's still good. Definitely fill it up tomorrow. Clean those leaves out. They should be good for tonight though. Hi, how's it going? I'll go grab your grain. Okay. Don't drop your leaf. Oh, is it slowing you down? Was it slowing you down? Alright. Let's get their grain. Come on. Sweet Pea. Come on. We gotta feed these hungry horses. Come on. They're waiting. They're waiting for their food. Good girl. Hi, Peachy. Try and trip me up. You try and trip me up. I knew she was going to do that. She wanted to grab the halter there for a second. Hi guys. Oh, all right. Oh, look at those ears. My goodness. Sheesh. She's getting sassy. Super sassy with her food. She's stomping. She keeps on picking on him. Yeah, you. I'm gonna interfere. You shouldn't, but he's old man. She doesn't need to be pushing him around. They're both getting food. She's finding something over there. He's not even next to you, Peach. Really? Look at how big your belly is. I think you're okay. What's going on over here? Hi. What's going on over here? At least you're getting your little runs in, huh? Get some exercise for the big old belly. I lunged her yesterday. I might do it again today. Shouldn't give me too much of a fit though, so. Oh, he's not even next to you. Relax. Relax. I just noticed these muscles are really big for some reason. Sweet pea. No. Of course. Hey, no, that's not your food. You don't eat horse grain, young lady. Alright, let's go tie you up, sweet peas. She really wants that grain. Yeah, I gotta tie you up. Gotta get Peachy out. Miss Grumpy Peachy. Miss Grumpy Pants. Grumpy ears. My gosh. Ridiculous. Well, I get her exercise then. Alright. Got the hay piles put out. Looks like Mr. Knight just got done with his grain. I worked on Peach's feet a little bit again because I didn't trim the frogs last time. And I noticed they were starting to peel a little bit and I didn't want anything getting stuck under there. So I did that. I think I have to do a little bit more or get a little bit better knife so I can make it a smoother cut. But now we're gonna go back up there, put Peachy away. Ready? Let's go. Speed racer. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. All right, good job. Good girl. Hey, come this way, please. Hey, buds. How's it going? I got the little sweet pea on me today. Did you find some hay? Yeah, you go find you some good hay. All right, sweet pea. Come on this way. Good girl. Come on. Pick up my handy dandy hoof pick. Good girl. What a good girl. Throw his bowl over here. Hey, I can't go under that way. Sweet pea, where are you going? Oh, what are you doing? All right. She found some of the tiny bit of frog that I trimmed off. Pretty focused on it, so I'm gonna walk away. She doesn't follow me. By the time I get up to that little red shed right there, I'm gonna call her, try to recall her. I have a little treat to reward her. Let's see how she does. She's still going after it. We'll see. Bring the bowls and the halter back up there. Yep, she's still back there. So I'll set these bowls down up here. And then I'll call her and make sure I have my treat ready for her. Over there. Alright. Sweet Pea, come! Come, Sweet Pea, come! Yes, good girl! Good girl! Yes! Good girl! Yeah! Good girl. There's your little snack. Oh, we dropped it. Here you go. Oh, good girl. What a good girl. You couldn't see me at first, could you? What a good girl. Yes. Yes. That was such a good recall. Yeah, that was so good. What a good girl. What a good girl. I know. Alright, that was great. She came sprinting. I always do that whistle. It was a little bit hard today. It was so windy, but I'm gonna get a good whistle going. But once she heard that, she came running. So that was awesome. Alright, I'm gonna put bowls away. We'll say bye and go home.